In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your project using Lovable.dev. This guide is perfect for those who are ready to take their development projects to the next level by making them publicly accessible. Whether you're an experienced developer or just starting, you'll find this process straightforward and rewarding. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Lovable Dev website. This is the platform where all the magic happens. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do that first. However, for today, let's assume you're all set up and ready to go. Once you're on the site, navigate to your dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of all your projects. Now, take a moment to locate the specific project you wish to publish. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct one, as this is what will be visible to the public once we finish the process. Next, you need to click on the project you want to publish. This will open up the project's detailed view. Here, you can review all the components, features, and any recent changes you might have made. This is a great opportunity to do a quick quality check, ensuring everything looks just the way you intended. If there are any last-minute adjustments or updates needed, now's the perfect time to make those changes. After you have reviewed everything and are satisfied, you'll see a button labeled Publish. Go ahead and click on it. This action is crucial as it triggers the publishing process, making your project live and available for others to explore. Once you hit Publish, the system may take a moment to complete the process, so be patient. During this time, the platform is doing all the necessary back-end work to ensure your project is displayed correctly. And there you have it. Your project is now published and out in the world for others to see. It's always exciting to share your hard work, and with Lovable.dev, you've made it accessible to a wider audience. Remember, if you ever need to make changes or updates, you can always revisit the project details and republish as needed. Being able to iterate and improve upon your work is a powerful aspect of using such platforms. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful and inspires you to continue creating and sharing your projects with the community. Don't hesitate to check out more of our tutorials if you're looking to deepen your skills even further. Until next time, happy developing.